is a guy. One even Annesha Adams. Hi. Okay, so today we have a few things doing. I'm on my computer right now. I am just going over some... Okay. Yeah, right now I'm going to respond to comments on my new video. I respond to all the comments. So you guys always comment on the vlog. When you guys comment, I will respond to them. I read everyone's comments because, listen, no matter how big I get on YouTube, I can have 500,000 subscribers and get 500 comments. I'm going to respond to all 500 of you guys because I will never ever forget when I started YouTube and I was only getting like 1 comment, 2 comments a month. And this was for like a year or 2 years. Oh, I forgot my earrings. Speaking of that, I need to buy some new studs. I need to buy like 5 pairs of stud earrings, like real stud earrings. I don't even wear real earrings, and keep them in my house because sometimes I either lose them or like I can't wear them anymore. So I need to get some. So I'm gonna actually write that down to buy some stud earrings so I don't forget. Listen, you guys comment down below what videos you guys would like me to do so I can consider them. I have a list of videos I'm doing, but I always like to hear what you guys want to see so I can do them for you guys. So I respond to everyone's stuff. Mean, nice, I don't really care. I am responding, okay? We're gonna go on the road. What am I doing? I have to go to the ATM. It's so annoying. It barely places used card down here, so I always have to go to the ATM. I don't like really going to the ATM like that because sometimes it's the same security guards there every day and they always see me going to the ATM, so they're probably like, whoa, she's always at the bank pulling out money, because I'll pull out 100,000. It's finished in like 2 days. So I have to keep on going back to the bank. And then I'm going to grab some snacks. So we'll go to the supermarket. I'm going to grab like, I love donuts. I love those little donuts with, you'll see. And then some chips, maybe cereal, I don't know. And then I'm going to go print something. Also, guess what? Sharmaine graduated from security school. She's a security guard now. So I'm going to see if I can buy her like a congratulations card, and maybe I get a cake for her. I don't really want to get a big cake that says congratulations. Maybe like a cake slice and then a card. And I'll see what I can get in the store. I don't know if I'm going to get her a gift on top of it, but mainly I'm going to get the cake and the card. And then it'll say congratulations. So we're going to do that. And then I'm actually supposed to go to Mandeville with her so she can pick up her stuff. So we'll probably do that in, yeah, maybe tomorrow. I was supposed to go today, but I woke up so late. So I'm going to, actually, let's call her right now. Let's call her. I have to apologize. I woke up so late today. I've just been sleepy. Let's see what people are saying. Jamaican people, Jamaica is so funny because Jamaica is literally, I think, the only country that makes you have music as your, like, ringing tone when you're calling somebody. Jamaica, yo, I've been to a lot of countries and I tell you stuff,
You have called is unavailable.
Jamaican people, let me call her one more time. Jamaican people, yo, they're just like a one of a kind. And half the stuff you get down here, you don't get in no other country. So I love Jamaica a lot. Oh, people have such nice... Hi.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, I have to apologize because I woke up so late again. Sharmaine, I don't know what's up with me. I've been sleeping in so late lately. And that hasn't been me.
Oh, okay.
And you're at work right now, right?
It's going fine.
What? Why did you go without me?
Yeah, probably I'm busy or something.
No, I wanted to come. So where are you at work, right?
Yeah, I'm at work.
So you have the certificate?
Right, I have it.
Oh my goodness, Sharmaine, I wanted to come so I can take a picture of you. Okay, I'm gonna come to you. I'm gonna come to you.
Okay, no problem there.
Oh my gosh, where are you? Up at Pink's, right?
Right, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go to Pink's. Okay, all right. I'm gonna come. I'll probably come in like an hour.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Okay, bye. No, we're gonna go to 9 Mile. That's where she's up at. So we're gonna. Let me just finish responding. I respond to all you guys, so comment. Even on this video, comment and share. Okay, and Christiana, I see cards here. I don't know if they have congratulations cards. Let's see. Okay, I'm in the supermarket now. Let me show you guys this Klappa's bag. I don't even need this because I'm not even getting that much stuff. It's huge. What is this? A home sense bag. And sometimes when I go shopping, I have to use like 3 of these big, huge bags. I don't need all this stuff. I'm just gonna grab a few stuff. You know what I like? These sweet pea biscuits, but now in Jamaica they're doing this thing where they're pressing out all the air out of the snacks. So when you buy the snacks are like stale when you go to eat it. So I'm gonna get one of these, and I put my bag in here. And then I really like these, so I'm gonna get through these too. The lightings in these supermarkets are not really good, but you know what I haven't had in the longest time? Rat cake. These are really good. This literally has nothing in it. This has nothing in it. Okay, look at this. So do you see how this has air in it and this one is pressed out? Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna get this. Then I want some frankfurter. Cheese. I like this. I like this. I guess I'll get one of these ones too. Where's the red ones? Okay, supposedly I watched Trending Queen, or she said this is really good, so let me buy this. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go print something. Here. Look at the sky! Bro, it's gonna rain any minute. I need to go get Irish. Right here. Hi. Do you have any Irish?
Yes, baby.
Okay, can I have, how much is a pound?
300
Or do you have a half pound? I think I only need half pound today. Yeah. I don't need so much, it's just for me alone. Guys, it's gonna rain.
Which one? Local or imported?
Sorry.
No, local.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
200 up here.
Guys, buying stuff down here is so cheap, like fresh stuff. Can't go wrong with this. Oh my gosh, it's gonna rain and I have to go into the supermarket. Look. That's a half pound. This is who I buy from in Spalding's Market. So you guys can come to her and buy from her.
Take up the scale. Take up the something. The Irish. No. Almost one. Take out one. A half one. Right.
But me I tell you around if you look
Hey, stranger. Yeah.
at
I'm being serious. I literally left. All right, I'm back. Guys, it was raining outside. Yeah, it was raining outside, so I ran. I was like, and my slippers, I'm wearing like, how would I they're like jelly slippers, so I was running, and I couldn't even run properly because my feet were sliding out of my slippers. Anyways, I'm here to pick up other stuff. I came here actually to buy the cake for Sharmaine, but they don't have any right now. So it looks like I'm not going to go see Sharmaine today, probably tomorrow. Because it's raining outside, I'm not going outside to hang out with anybody and it's raining. So the rest of my errands I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to go home, cook, chill out for the rest of the night, maybe go on TikTok live. You guys have to follow me on TikTok too, Annesha Adams, and then that's that. I'm here buying nuggets with my burgers lately. The nuggets look like they're defrosting. The last time I bought nuggets like that looked like they were defrosting. When I brought them home, I swear like they taste like they were rotten. I'm not even joking. The saltfish is what? $4.62 thing. This is thick. Look how thick that is. Whoa. These look nice. Usually they look sucked out and like dry, but wow. You guys remember when I first discovered in Jamaica when they sold oil in a bag through someone? And I was like freaking out in the vlog. I was like, what the hell is this? Yay, thanks so much. God bless you. Bye. Alright, there's actually something I want to get. Hi. What's up with them? This tastes really good. It has 5% stout in it. There's no cake. Bro, it's not raining anymore. Sunlight. Yeah, I'm in a different supermarket. Sharmaine got knocked. There's this here. Cheesecake. And then red velvet. I'm gonna do the cheesecake. She's a little bit underweight. Okay. I'd be like, congratulations! Okay, I'm back. It looks like it's gonna rain. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna hurry up and get this. Well, it's not hurry up. I'm gonna talk to Sharmaine quickly and then leave. I forgot to get rice. Oh, I actually have to do a full-on shopping. I told you guys I'm gonna do a grocery shopping in Jamaica video. I'm gonna actually do a whole dedicated one. I haven't been up here in so long. We're in 9 Mile. Yay, congratulations. I bought you a little cake.
Hi.
I told them that you passed, so you have your license now. So they're saying, congratulations!
The brown suit out at hospital, so it's the children close by. The woman said, in time I start up, I said, I come to her.
What do you mean? To start working at the hospital? See guys, how do you feel? See, in life you have to step up in life, no?
Not true.
And you have to always have people around you that's always trying to step up. It's something small, but it's still good. It's better her becoming a security guard than, you know, let's go inside, it's raining. It's rain season. We're not in the rain. Maybe right here is okay. Yeah. Okay guys, it's raining now. Oh! Yay!
Yeah. Hello, Sharmaine. She's so nice. I want her to.
2, 3. Smile. Guys, I'm going home now. It's raining. I left my windows open as well. I'm gonna go. Shoot, after stopping, I'm gonna write. So annoying. Oh yeah. I wish there was like supermarkets where you can like go and do drive-throughs. You go through the drive-through line and just pick up. You tell them what you want. It only can be up to 5 items you can get, and then you just go through the drive-through. Cow pen. Sunlight. There's something wrong with me. I'm literally back at another supermarket because I forgot curry. I want to make curry chicken. Alright. Bro, my head is not. What do we have? What do we have? You know, I saw this the other day and I searched them up. Spur Tree roast chicken, because I'm like, what brand is this? But it's Jamaican brand here. I spy with my little eye. No curry powder. That's black pepper. These two here. This one too. Bro, I looked around, but this nice boy helped me. Where is he? He disappeared so fast. So I have them. I'm going to pick up too.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, we're going now. Some of these kids are so strong. A boy bunks me by accident. Bro, I almost went flying. And that little bunks wasn't even his full force. Anyways, let's see if this is gonna fall off. I'm gonna reverse out. I had backup ones. Okay, let me tell you what happened. I have 3 tripods. I'm using one of them. The other 2 literally broke. The first one broke, I grabbed the second one, and then it broke off at the head part too. And then I know someone said they want more drive with me's, like me driving in Jamaica and stuff. And like showing the road. And I did that in my other drive with me video, so you guys can go watch that vlog. But I'm thinking I'm doing an updated one, and I actually look cute in it too. That would be a good video. Me talking to you guys while I'm driving to Westmoreland. I'm gonna take the back roads. I go through Halam Bamboo, go through Newmarket, that side. Do you want to say hi to my video? Yeah. Guys, I picked up Ayasin. I'm gonna drop her off at her house. No, just say hi. Hi. It's raining. It's a good time for you to go home now because it's getting dark and it's raining. They got a new road up here. Look how nice and smooth the road is. Wow, I like it. Chloe doesn't know me like one time anymore. Chloe, she's not my friend anymore. Chloe!
Yeah, we not call you.
Huh? No. Guys, I'm up in Coleyville.
Twin.
Aw.
Yeah, I'm sure door came.
Hi. Wait, she's so cute.
They keep picture creepy.
I'm scared.
Hi.
You will never come when a girl say quambo.
Say hi, you know.
When a girl say
You don't even answer.
Who about that chicken in my girl?
No, girl,
No girl, no know nothing about me. And your girl can't talk me money. So clear. I'm Mr. Badness. I'm Mr. Andrew Wallace. Welcome to Gaza. Every time. One labor right and one Omar Villa. I'm Mr. Badness. One Omar Miller. One Annesha Omar Miller and Wallace. And you will say, no, we can't say no PNP. Hey, we are labor right. PNP.
yes, what if I say PMP over here?
We got bossy, Miss Samila. One labor right. Show me Samila. I will say Gaza Badness. One man. I will say one contest. But you see this is Gaza. If you're Manchester, quality PO Manchester. Come here, Darren.
When you see with her, she don't have no sense. She needs psychiatric evaluation.
Listen, you need to bring the baby inside.
Oh, make the rum.
Yeah, who make you rum?
What? See ya. What PMP does PMA?
Original bush people, so this is us.
Why is she crying?
Fandy, she crying. What do you let's see?
Who trouble you? You want me to go beat him? Why you trouble her for?
Look at him.
Mr. Family see car pass and blow me here.
Twin need to come up here and do more videos.
Yeah, I know. I was telling you guys that.
What do you mean?
How you feel so much confidence?
Because we know it's a labor right after win.
I was coming from Christian and I saw her, so I picked her up.
I said, find your car. You me to reach your car. Yes, I know I can't.
You know your car, man.
How is your bird at Polly?
Man,
You went to Maggie to give bird? Why so far?
Because somebody tell me
The first picnic and first they're pregnant and they have them now go take their spalies. They must be working on supposed to pick them up as spalies.
Okay, somebody tell me that you know
You can a certain difficult here, you don't want to know Miss Joan, big up yourself, yeah, one love, me still remember and respect Miss Joan. Hey, Miss Joan. Man, so you go over there, man, what's your name? So who's he? Guys, players no in the hairstyle. We just a pull out. Look at Omar Miller. Big up yourself.
Let me tell everything. Tell them Chloe how we put up I saw something that we like here.
Next flavor.
I'm come and me knock up.
I see how you guys got new road up here. It's so pretty.
Yeah, the labor.
It was jail free.
Labor, jail-free.
Seriously?
Oh, man, what that? The jail-free them for walk, buddy. My favorite nephew.
Because I'm a big brother, I'm a little brother.
No. Some girl when they on the Gaza, them never reach 18 years old we sell. Them can't spell them N-A-M-E, that's a name.
Yeah, it's true.
Them not no B-E-D, that's a big. Them not have no O, them not have no A-M-B-I-T-I-O-N, that's an ambition. I want them.
Yeah, different.
What is a simple again? What me not
I should have got something there.
I don't know.
Hi. She's so cute. You're like grayish. What is this? Grayish.
Green.
You don't look grayish green?
No, I just like hearing.
Right true. If the girl want the man will come to me with problem, say the man. The man still run me down. The man still come to me. The man still cry over me. The man come and this to know where uno gets. You can't this, you can't stand.
I wash my hands as soon as I come in because like if I'm not touching everything in my house with my outdoor hands. I need to turn this on. Hey, it's my video. Hello. Oh, this is who I was telling you when I was... Can you guys even see? I'll show you guys who I was talking about. She is the one, trending queen, who was talking about the cereal that I was telling you guys. I was telling you guys in the supermarket, I got that cereal. Let me show it to you guys if you guys... I think you guys know. I got this one because she said it's like the best one. I think I've had it before, but I never pay attention to cereals I buy. I just thought they all tasted the same, but clearly I'm wrong. So I bought it so I can just try it out. Listen, once I watch your YouTube channel, 10 out of 10 times I'll buy something that I see that I like. I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Anyway, so I'm gonna place something on here. So yeah, she was the one, trending queen. Or Rochelle, I think her thing is. Oh, I should actually watch this, but I have to actually sit down and watch certain videos. Hey, Paris, I didn't even know she made videos still. I wish she did vlogs. Like, I follow one of her TikToks, and yeah, her TikToks, her lifestyle content's so much better than her sit down videos. During which one? See, like stuff like that. Like Shelby, I have to watch when I'm sitting down. I don't know if I'm all caught up on her video. I think I am. I'm still watching the previous one because it's like 2 hours.
All right, guys, happy Wednesday. So Nick Fuentes, if you haven't heard of him, he is the leader of the online Groyper movement. Well, he got doxxed last week.
All right, I'm gonna pack these all out, and then I'm gonna season the chicken and all that. So you guys can. I'll come back to you guys once I shower. I need to bathe too. So I'm gonna pack these out, season, bathe, pack out, season, bathe. Oh, and I'm gonna put on the rice too. What is this? In Scotland where I got the meat, they cut it up for you, thankfully. So I asked her to cut it up. They cut up anything that you want. So it makes it easier for me to prep this, because I'm gonna make this right now. I'm back, I showered. Anyways, I'm in my pajamas. Listen, let's sit down. I am kinda listening to the Joe Budden podcast, but Dr. Umar Johnson is on it. So that's why I'm watching it. Let me show you guys.
Politics is not for us. I don't necessarily disagree, but I'm trying to follow the text. Land me. I need you to land that. Party or
Oh, I also finished cooking. I made curry chicken and white rice. Okay. I also need to post on my TikTok. I have to post my TikTok. I post on my TikTok once a day. The great thing about TikTok that I love compared to every single platform, social media platform, you can post 5-second videos. You can post 3-second videos, 10-second videos, and you'll stay consistent because they'll still perform well. On every other platform, it's like you have to really think what to post. Who's gonna like TikTok? Post whatever you want. People will like it. An audience will like it. I love TikTok. It's like really best. I don't really have that much followers. I'm still trying to grow, but I love it. So I'm gonna post a vlog. So you guys are gonna do I'm gonna do a voiceover with you guys. Can you guys see it? Follow me on TikTok. Let me just turn this down. Here is a week in my life, a few days. So at night I went to the bar and I just had a few drinks and we were talking. Nothing really too much, okay? And then I went, no, wait, hold on. I have to start over. I saw a clip in here. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing. Let me screen record. Okay, the screen recording is now starting. So I'm gonna go to edit. I saw something that I'm supposed to crop out. Yeah, do you guys see that? Hold on. See? So we need to crop that out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do voice. Did my music get turned back up again? Record and a week in. Hold on. Life living in country. All right, so in the night I went to a bar, just talked, chit chat for a bit. I really was there to just talk and catch up with one of my friends. We just want to hear it as like a social space. Anyways, I did a little bar video, so you guys can watch the full video on my Instagram. I don't know if I posted it here on TikTok. And then I went to go get curry goat, and then they were having like a little party. I was like, what? Anyways, did a video, and then I did a mukbang. You guys can see that mukbang on my page. Anyways, back in Mandeville, that was at Homewood in Mandeville. I didn't know that bank existed. Look how much it is for 2 patina. Love juicy beef. I just cannot. Anyways, we went to this store here in Mandeville and I went to follow somebody. Love this store. I think I'm gonna do a video on some places I like shopping in Mandeville. Oh, you guys stay tuned to that. And then love this sub from Williamsfield, and then I went grocery shopping. I thought that was super cute. And then, boy, I need to do this over. This is what happens. Okay, let's start over. Life in country, living in Jamaica. Oh no, come along. So let's do that over. Life in country. Oh no, come. So basically at night, I wanted to catch up with my friends. So we're like, okay, let's just go to a bar, sit down, have a little drink, and then we're gonna talk a bit. So here we are. And then I was just showing you guys a little bit behind the scenes of me filming a video for IG Reel, so you guys can go on my IG. And then my friend was like, okay, I want to go get curry goat. So we went, and they're having a little party, but it was like a PMP party. And then I did a little reel, and then I did a mukbang. You guys can see this mukbang full on my channel. I need to do more. That was at Homewood. Went to Mandeville. I didn't even know this bank existed. Never heard of it before, but it was cute. And then I got 2 patty. Look how much it is from Juicy Beef. I love Juicy Beef. Will never ever not love Juicy Beef. Here back in Mandeville, went to this Harbor Dashery here. Follow someone so they can just get an outfit. Like this store a lot, and I like this store a lot. I think I'm gonna do a video on my fave stores to shop in Ville. And then got this sub in Williamsfield. 10 out of 10. Love this little snack. I would love to give this to kitties little bit. And then I wanted to go through my swimwear, but I'll do that another day. Here's the before. Wait, I think I showed this in another vlog. And here's an after. Okay, wow. Follow for more. I think I reused some of the same life in country on a pub. So basically, at night, I wanted to catch up with my friends. So we're like, okay, let's just go to a bar, sit down, you know, have a little drink, and then we're gonna talk a bit. Yeah, I filled out the caption and all that, so I'm just gonna post it.
I'm trying a new concealer today.
I'm trying to.
With the holidays coming up, I know a lot of y'all are probably stressed about all the food prep, and y'all may not know.
Told you this, why I don't really like doing daily vlogging, because I don't think you guys will like it, and I feel like it's just like a waste of me doing it, because I'm like, oh, there's only a few things instead of if I do a weekly vlog, there's more in the vlog, so I feel like it's more like more worthy to stay on my channel. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Follow for more. I'm gonna continue watching this.